In this video, I'm gonna give you the most comprehensive guide to automating your Airbnb that exists anywhere on YouTube. Now, if you watched part 1, you already know how to maximize your earnings. But here's the thing. Making great money with Airbnb doesn't mean you need to be glued to your phone 24/7. I'm about to show you 9 proven strategies that will help you run your Airbnb from literally anywhere in the world. And I mean anywhere. I spend 6 months a year traveling the world while my properties back home are running smoothly on autopilot. Before we dive in though, I want to share something pretty shocking. Most hosts spend between 15 and 20 hours every week managing their Airbnb. That's basically a part-time job. But here's the crazy part. With the right systems in place, you can cut that down to just 1 or 2 hours a week, and your guest experience will actually get better, not worse. So if you're ready to get your life back while still crushing it on Airbnb, this video is for you. Let's start with strategy number 1. Automating your guest communication. This is the biggest time saver of all because most hosts spend hours every week messaging their guests. But here's how to automate 90% of it. First, you need an AI guest communication tool. I use something called Bestie AI, and it's absolutely incredible. Here's what it does. Answers guest questions instantly, handles booking inquiries, sends check-in instructions, and even helps upsell things like late checkouts and extra nights. But here's the key. You need to set it up right. Let me walk you through the exact setup. First, connect it to your channel management account. Then upload your house manual and any specific rules or instructions that you want to know about. The cool thing is, Bestie learns from your listing descriptions automatically. But here's a pro tip. Add extra details about your local area. This helps it answer questions about restaurants, activities, and directions. Next, you want to set up your automated message sequence, and you can do this right from your channel manager or even from Airbnb. Here's exactly what messages to automate. Your booking confirmation, your pre-arrival information, this is gonna be 3 days before the guests arrive, your check-in instructions the day of arrival, your welcome message 2 hours after check-in. You also want a mid-stay check-in for any longer stays, a check-out reminder, and a post-stay thank you. Now, for each of these messages, you want to make sure they don't sound robotic. Let me give you an example of a great welcome message. It would look something like, hey, guest name, just wanted to make sure you got in okay and found everything you need. The sunset from the back deck is amazing right now if you want to go check it out. Let me know if you need anything. Now, you see how that feels personal, but can be completely automated? By the way, if you want my complete message templates and automation guides, you can also grab a free copy of my new book, Airbnb Unlocked. The link is in the description right down below. The book includes exact templates for every single one of these messages. Strategy number 2 is all about automating your check-ins and checkouts. The key here is setting up a completely keyless entry system. Here's exactly what you need. A smart lock, I recommend the August lock, a backup lockbox, and clear automated instructions. Here's how to set it up. First, install your smart lock, then connect it to your property's Wi-Fi. Next, set up unique codes for each guest. You can do this automatically, don't worry. And then create backup codes for emergencies. Pro tip, most smart locks let you set codes that only work during a guest's actual stay dates. This is huge for security. But here's something most hosts miss. You also need a backup system. Technology can fail, so always have a backup lockbox with a hidden key. For checkout, here's my automated system. Automatic reminder messages the night before, clear instructions in the house manual of exactly what to do, automatic code deactivation at checkout time, and instant notifications over to your cleaning team. Now let's talk about strategy 3, automating your cleaning and turnover system. This is where a lot of hosts get stuck. They either try to do all the cleaning themselves, which is a huge mistake, or they struggle to find reliable cleaners. Let me show you how to build a system that's gonna run itself. First, you need the right cleaning team. Here's exactly how to find them. Don't just Google cleaning services. That's actually the worst way to find cleaners. Instead, join local Facebook groups for your area and post there. These cleaners are usually more flexible and more reliable. When you're interviewing cleaners, here's what to look for. Experience with Airbnb or vacation rentals, availability for same-day turnovers, backup team members for emergencies are another great thing to have, and then willingness to follow your systems. Once you've found your team, here's how to automate everything. Step 1, set up your cleaning checklist. Break it down to sections. So you'll start by running laundry and dishwasher, then move on to the living spaces, the kitchen, the bedrooms, and so on. If you want my full detailed checklist, you can find it in my new book, Airbnb Unlocked. And for a limited time, you can grab the book completely free at the link in the description. Step 2, give your cleaners direct access to your booking calendar. Tools like Hostaway let cleaners see exactly when turnovers are needed. Step number 3, set up an automated inspection system. Have cleaners take photos of each room after cleaning, any damages they find, the staged final product, and your supply levels. This way, you can check everything remotely without ever needing to visit the property in person. Strategy 4 is all about maintenance automation. Here's a system that prevents 90% of maintenance emergencies. First, create your maintenance team. It's going to be a reliable handyman, a plumber, an HVAC specialist, an electrician, and a landscaper. As a pro tip, always have backups for each one of these. You don't want to be scrambling when your regular person isn't available and you need someone last minute. Then set up a preventative maintenance schedule. Weekly, you can do things like basic property checks. Quarterly for deep cleanings and inspections, and annual to have professional servicing of all your major systems. Here's a pro move that most hosts miss. Give your cleaning team a simple maintenance checklist. Have them check for things like all light bulbs that are working, faucets and toilets are running properly, HVAC filters, smoke detector batteries, and door and window locks. If they spot any issues, they can report them immediately through your property management software. In Airbnb Unlocked, I've also included my complete maintenance checklist and preventative maintenance schedules. You can grab your free copy using the link below. Next up, you need to automate your calendar and your pricing. We talked about pricing tools in part 1, but here's how to fully automate them. First, connect your dynamic pricing tool to a channel manager like Hostaway. This automatically syncs your calendars across all platforms. It also updates pricing based on demand, prevents double bookings, and manages your minimum stays. Then set up your booking rules. Here's what I recommend. Minimum stay of 2 nights, maybe 3 for high season. Preparation time, at least 1 hour between bookings, and make sure Instant Book is on and your maximum advance booking is 12 months or longer. The key here is to review your settings monthly, but otherwise just let the system run itself. Strategy 6 is a game changer. It's gonna be building your virtual team. This is what takes you from being a hands-on host to running a truly automated business. First up, hiring a virtual assistant. Here's exactly what to look for when you're hiring. You want to look for someone that's got experience with Airbnb or hospitality, great written English, availability in your peak booking hours, and tech savvy enough to use your tools. Now, here's where most hosts mess up. They try to train their VA on everything all at once. Instead, start with just one task. So week 1 might be guest communication, and then week 2, you can add in booking management. In week 3, add team coordination. Week 4, add review management. This way, they master each part before moving on and avoid overwhelm. As a pro tip, you can record yourself doing each task using a tool like Loom. Now your VA can refer back to these videos anytime they need a refresher. I also recommend meeting daily with your VA when they first come on board. This will allow you to quickly catch up and answer any questions very quickly to avoid delays. Once they are more comfortable with their role, you can dial things back to 3 meetings a week, about 15 minutes each. Strategy 7 is financial automation. Here's exactly how to automate your money. Set up automatic payments for utilities, create separate cards for property expenses, use accounting software that connects to Airbnb, and set up automatic transfers for profits. One tool that's amazing for this is QuickBooks. It can automatically categorize all your expenses and create profit and loss statements. Next up is about remote monitoring. Here's the exact setup so that your property can be managed from absolutely anywhere. Set up a smart thermostat, noise monitoring device. Me personally, I use Minute, smart locks, and water leak detectors. All of these connect to your phone so you can check on your property anytime, anywhere. But here's the key. Set up proper alerts. You don't want your phone buzzing every time there's any little thing that comes up. Here's what I personally have an alert set up for. First is noise monitoring just above a certain level. Any security triggers, temperature changes outside of the normal range, water leaks, door lock issues, and then everything else I just check during my weekly review. And finally, strategy number 9 is documenting all of your processes. This is what ties everything together. For every single task in your business, you need written instructions, video walkthroughs, troubleshooting guides, and emergency protocols. Inside Airbnb Unlocked, I've included my complete collection of SOPs that you can copy and then customize to your own properties in your own business. Again, the book is completely free to download. Just click the link down in the description. Now, I know this has been a lot of information, but here's the thing. You don't need to implement everything all at once. Start with guest communication automation. That alone will save you hours every week. Then move on to cleaning systems, then maintenance, and so on. The goal isn't to build everything overnight. It's to create a system that runs smoothly and keeps getting better over time. If you want my complete automation blueprint, including all my templates, checklists, and SOPs, grab your free copy of Airbnb Unlocked using the link in the description right down below. And if you haven't watched part 1 of this series, where I show you how to maximize your earnings, make sure you check that out as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on Airbnb automation and optimization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.